What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to generate B-roll using Kling AI to quickly create cinematic filler footage for your videos. First, open Kling AI and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, choose the option to generate a video from a prompt. Next, think about the type of B-roll you need. This could be something like a person typing on a laptop, a city skyline, abstract motion backgrounds, or cinematic product shots. Type a clear and descriptive prompt explaining the scene, the mood, the camera movement, and the style you want. After entering your prompt, adjust the video settings if available. You can usually choose things like video length, aspect ratio, and realism level. For B-roll, shorter clips with smooth motion work best. Once everything is set, generate the video. Kling AI will process your prompt and create a video clip that matches your description. This usually only takes a short time. When the video is ready, preview it and download the clip. You can then import it directly into your video editor and place it over voiceovers, transitions, or talking head footage as B-roll. If the result isn't exactly what you want, tweak the prompt and regenerate. Small changes to wording, camera movement, or lighting can make a big difference. And that's it. That's how you generate high-quality B-roll using Kling AI to level up your videos fast. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.